All right, metal. We are back. Welcome to what may be in the box on a Wednesday. As promised last week, let's go ahead and open up and show you the cars that Dave the Hatman so graciously gifted me. And thank you, Dave. You are metal. All right, the first one. This is a good-looking NASCAR, man. Chevrolet Impala, Mobile One, Office Depot. This is Carrera 30589, and she looks really good. Really nice. Let me pop her open and I'll give you guys a closer look at it. Actually, we'll go down to the turntable with both cars, so let's get to the other car. All right. Now this one is a Chevrolet Impala, but the guy, he bought decals and re-decaled the whole thing. Apparently this was not a Lowe's livery, because when Dave gave me the number, I couldn't find the car versus the picture. This was originally Carrera 30590. Is that the same one? No, 30589. This was a Stuart Haas Racing number 39 originally, and then he changed it over to this Lowe's livery, which is actually really sharp. I don't know what the other one looked like. I'd have to look it up. But very cool. So let's get both these cars on the turntable and get a better look at them. All right, kids, let's start with this Lowe's Impala. It is beat up in the front, but the liveries is amazing on this, considering the guy did this himself after the fact. Glued on tail lights. There's your gas cap. Sweet looking tires. Those have got to be changed. Nice interior with the cage and the driver. This car is beat up. Looks like the glass here is a little busted out, but that's okay. No biggie. But a really nice Lowe's livery, custom made by the guy. You got your NASCAR screen there. I can't tell if there's a driver in there or not. I think there is. Yeah, there's one in there. See him? You can just make out his helmet there. So, but look at the detail on this. Even on the A-pillar, or the window pillar. The A-pillar is the one in the front. But anyway, yeah. Just crazy, the detail on these NASCARs. All right, so there's that one. This one I really like. I'm not big on the orange, but it looks good with the black, so I'm good with it. And this is another Impala. Another, mainly decals for everything, like the headlights and the grill and all that. But I don't think the NASCARs are that much different, in all truth. And some amazing livery detail again on this. Nice with the Office Depot on the boxes. Bass Pro. Stop it here. El Monterey. Yeah, that's those Mexican burritos. Autometer, Mobile, 3M, Holly, Lincoln. I can't make out everything here. Coors Light, O'Reilly. NASCAR thing. I don't know what the M is there. Goodyear, Molly, Moog. I got some Moog parts on my truck. Edelbrock, Comp. Gatorback, it looks like there. Just amazing detail. And a bunch of little ones here I can't even make out. You can probably make them out better on the video. But yeah, this is just a beautiful car. So I will do a tuning video of at least this one. We'll take it apart and get a good look at it and clean it all out and tune it up, put new tires on it and what have you. I think it already has nope, needs a new guide and probably new braids as well. Those braids look a little rugged. We got plenty of braids around here though. Same on this one too. These are really old cars. Really old digital cars. These tires look like they've seen better days, but on the front, no big deal. We might trim the edges a little bit to make the car go quicker, but I bet right now they run really poorly. And they're the old design with where the motor drops out there with the axle. You got to drop those screws, and then the whole thing drops out, and that's how you get to the rear axle and the gears and the grease and all that stuff. So anyway, I'm looking forward to having these and doing some NASCAR racing, where everybody's in a NASCAR, and they all probably drive about the same, I imagine. It's interesting, and I don't know a lot about NASCARs. Do they actually have these things? Since they all go around to the right, I imagine that's an air dam that helps them, drive the car better and go around the circles to the left. So, oh, excuse me, I apologize. I was up super early today with my job. So anyway, all right, everybody. So there is a closer look at the 2 cars that Dave the Hatman gifted me. I'm going to call it a Christmas present. Thank you, Dave. We really appreciate it. And we're going to get these cars, like I said, tuned up and running, and you will see them on the track shortly. So that is all for this video. Metal kids, have a great week. For the rest of the week, have a great week. Excuse me. May the west of your great week be good. I can't talk. I love it. All right. So, metal boys and girls. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Bye-bye.